Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove bot from your Discord server via Discord app. At this moment I'm using iPhone, but it's perfectly doable on any other device. First of all, we have to pick the server where our bots are, or preferably it's our server with our rights where we are admin. We do so on the left side of your screen, top left side. We pick the server. We want to go to the top of your screen or top right. Next to your server name, there are three dots. We want to push on three dots. We want to go to right side of the screen where the settings are and all the way down to members. And as you can see, where your members are, they're actually also bots, and you can get rid of them quite easily. You can kick them or ban them or give them the roles. It's completely up to you. But when you push the kick, reason for kick, it's completely up to you. And you just kick me6 or rhythm. It's really easy. You can always invite them back. And that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.